Today, I will show you how to add bass to your voice in Adobe Audition. Start by making sure you have your audio clip in the timeline. You can either drag and drop your audio directly into Audition, or go to the top menu bar, click on File, hover over Import, and then click on File. A File Explorer window will open where you can locate and add your audio file. Once your audio is ready, go to the top menu bar and click on Effects. Hover your mouse over Filter and EQ, then select Parametric Equalizer. This tool lets you adjust the frequencies in your audio to make your voice sound deeper or brighter. Now, click on the Presets drop-down menu and select Loudness Maximizer. This gives your voice a stronger presence. To add more bass, look at the lower frequency range on the graph and slightly increase it by moving the points upward. The more you increase it, the deeper the voice will sound. You can hear a preview of the effect by clicking the small play button in the window. Once you are happy with how it sounds, click OK to apply the effect. And that's how you add bass to your voice in Adobe Audition.